So there's a sticker, it says shake vigorously. Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to tell you how to take care of your blemishes, how you can easily and quickly decrease or disappear the blemishes that are left by pimples. In my previous video I've told you how to take care of your pimples and how to prevent them and how to control them. In this video I'm going to tell you what to do after the pimple is gone. So whenever the pimple is gone, it leaves a blemish for sure. It can be a dark spot, or it can be a scar, or it can be a dark brown patches on your skin. So these are the effects of the acne. These are the after effects of the acne. So in this video, I'm going to tell you what to do after your acne is gone. So in other ways, how to deal with the after effects of acne. So skincare is basic, guys. Following a certain skincare routine is necessary to take care of your acne or the blemishes or the dark spot or the scars. So make sure that you stick to a certain skincare routine. It can be of any of the skincare routine you like, or it can be any of the brands that you like, or you can even mix match the brands and use it. So in this video I am going to do a particular skincare that can take care of your blemishes. As I told you earlier, the blemishes can be a scar or a dark spot or a dark brown patches. So blemishes can differ from person to person. I usually have blemishes like dark spots. Whenever the acne is gone, it will leave a dark brown dark spot on my skin. So the first and the basic step of a skincare routine is a face wash. You guys know what face wash does. But there are certain products for oily skin type and certain products for dry skin type. So you will have to keep this in mind while purchasing for your skincare products. So if you belong to the oily skin type like me, go for face washes that has a gel consistency. And look out for ingredients like neem, tea tree essential oil and tulsi in it. So currently I am using the Wow Skin Science Anti-Acne Face Wash, which has a tea tree, neem leaf, mulberry and licorice extracts. So this is the face wash that I'm currently using to deal with my acne and the after effects of the acne. So this is the face wash that I'm using. What I like about this face wash is that, and why am I recommending this face wash to you, is that it does not have any colorants added to it. Colorants can trigger the acne even more. Colorants in your face wash, in your sunscreen or in your serum or toner can even more irritate the sensitive and acne prone skin. So make sure that you use skincare products that does not contain any colorants added to it, and this does not have any color added to it. So this does not contain parabens, sulfate, silicons and also color. It says it controls acne, blackheads and whiteheads. I also deal with bad blackheads and whiteheads on my nose area. This also helps to ease redness and itching. So this is perfect for acne prone skin, oily skin, sensitive skin, dry skin can also use this product. So now the second step of a skincare routine is the face pack. If you have a lot of acne and blemishes on your skin, then you will have to apply face pack every single day. Yes. You will have to religiously apply the face pack every single day, and I have done a lot of face pack videos previously on my channel. If you want, you can check it out. To take care of the blemishes especially, I made a face pack using lemon juice and rose water.
Squeeze 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Add 1 teaspoon of rose water to it. Mix it well. Apply it onto your face and wait for 20 minutes. After that, wash your face with normal regular tap water.
So it has lemon in it, vitamin C, takes care of the blemishes and helps to decrease it really fast. So you will have to apply this face pack every single day, as I told you earlier. And also rose water helps to tone your skin and also soothes your skin. Your skin is already irritated by acne, and this face pack can help you to cool down the skin, to soothe your skin from the irritation. So the next step in this blemish-free skincare routine is the toner. So I have used a lot of toners in the past. Seriously guys, I've used a lot of toners in the past, but this one actually satisfied me. I usually use a toners like a pure rose water or a rose water toner, but this one from the Wow Skin Science is a mixture of lavender and a rose. So as you can imagine, lavender and rose mixed together will give you a soothing fragrance. I usually don't like lavender fragrance, but this one smells really good. And also most of the toners in the market tends to give me that tacky feeling. I have an oily skin, and whenever I spray toners on my face, and it gives me that tacky effect. Like when you touch your skin, you can feel that tacky chip feel on your skin. But this one does not gives you that. This is just perfect for any skin type. This I feel like I'm spraying just water on my skin. This is so lightweight, and this does not make the skin tacky or tight or chip effect on your skin. This is actually very lightweight in consistency. I actually feel like I'm applying a water to my face, but this is doing really good. As I told you, I have really bad blackheads and whiteheads, and this is the toner that I'm using for more than a month, and this is working so good. Every week I used to extract my blackheads and whiteheads, but after using this, I actually forgot to do that. Seriously, I am not joking or I'm not lying. I seriously forgot to extract the blackheads and whiteheads because it is not popping up. Only if it pops up, it reminds me to extract it. But after using this toner, it controls the blackheads and whiteheads on my skin. Wow Skin Science does not contain any mineral oil, silicone, or this does not contain any synthetic fragrance, but this smells so good. So this toner is in the form of a mist. This comes in this spray bottle, which is again very easy, very convenient, and very comfortable to use on your skin. Whenever I spray this on my face, my entire room smells of rose and lavender. Seriously, I spray this and my mom asks, which fragrance are you using, which scent are you using? I'm like, I'm just spraying toner on my face. So this is so good. You will have to use it to see the effect. I used it for a month, and this actually reduced the inflammation, the agony, and the blackheads and whiteheads. Guys, this skincare routine, you will have to use this at least for a month to see the results. Not only this skincare routine, any skincare routine that you prefer, you will have to use this at least for a month to see the desired results. So after the toner, you will need a serum for sure. So serums, there are a lot of serums available in the market, and why I recommend this serum particularly is that this is formulated just for blemish care. So this is the Wow Skin Science Blemish Care Serum. This serum is not like any other serum. Usually how you use your daily serum, you will take required quantity and dot it on your face and massage it, right? But this serum, you will have to apply it only on the blemish areas. It is like a spot treatment. This is actually like a spot treatment. You will have to apply this serum only on the acne affected area. So do not apply this serum on entire face. Just apply this serum on the areas where you have blemishes. This is actually the spot treatment, and the directions for use also says to use it only on the acne affected areas, spots and pits. Dab and press the serum with your fingertips to allow it to soak into the skin. So you don't have to apply this on your entire face. This actually smells like a medicated cream or a medicated lotion that you usually get in the pharmacies. I use this in my morning skincare routine as well as night skincare routine. If I'm not going out and staying indoor, I apply this in my morning skincare routine also. If I'm planning to go out, I will skip this step and I move on to the sunscreen. So again, this one is also a very good sunscreen. This is in the form of a spray. Who doesn't like to spray sunscreen on their face? Usually for me, sunscreen, I have an oily skin, and so sunscreen takes a lot of time to blend into my skin. It doesn't even blend into my oily skin, or it makes me hard and difficult to blend it on my skin. But this one is in the spray form, and you can just easily spritz on your face and move out. So that it is. So make sure that you shake this bottle really well. So there's a sticker, it says shake vigorously. So there's a sticker, it says shake vigorously. Thank God it came in this plastic bottle. Imagine what would have happened if it came in a glass bottle. Okay, moving on to the video. This says you have to shake it vigorously. So this sunscreen has a natural sun blockers. That is the raspberry extract, carrot seed extracts and avocado oil. So it gives you broad spectrum UVA and UVB protection. It shields, cools, soothes and hydrates the skin. So that it is. So this sunscreen is very useful not only for your face and also for your body. Because the cream sunscreen, the gel sunscreen takes quite some amount of time to blend it on my face. When it comes to my body, it takes a lot more time. So whenever I step out, I just take this bottle, spray it on my legs, spray it on my arm and go out. So this is the skincare routine that I use to take care of my blemishes. So usually my friends ask me, you say you have an oily skin but you don't seem to have any acne or dark spots. So skincare routine is really important. Following a strict skincare routine will help you to take care of the acne and blemishes. So that's it for this video guys. I hope this video would have helped you in some way. Until then, I will see you in my next video. This is Mediti signing off. Bye bye. Take care.
Do subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.